Dear children, do you remember where we have stopped? Now we will continue the topic in this video.
Vegetables. Uplands, Miraka or Garuvu Bhumulu of this village are suitable for growing vegetables. In the low-lying lands, if water is not sufficient for a second crop of paddy, they cultivate vegetables. Usually, they cultivate brinjal, lady's finger, ivy gourd, dondakaya, ridge gourd and cabbage. During summer, jeluga or pilli pesara is cultivated to increase the fertility of the fields. These are leguminous green manure crops which fix nitrogen in the soil. Orchards. Slaters. An orchard is an intentional planting of fruit or nut-producing trees which are grown to sale in the market. On the bank of River Krishna and upland areas of Penamakuru, we can see several fruit-bearing trees and orchards like guava, sapota and papaya. The soil near the river contains more sand. The capacity of these soils to retain moisture is very less. Therefore, crops like paddy do not grow well on sandy soils. The fruit trees grow well as their roots penetrate deep into the soil and draw out water. Hence, the lands close to river are suitable for growing fruit-bearing trees. Irrigation, market and changing crops. The farmers have started cultivating more of cash crops now rather than growing millets, paddy due to good irrigation facility and availability of loans to purchase seeds, fertilizers, etc. Houses. Slaters. Now we will see the different houses at the village. People of different castes and professions live in this village. The main village is inhabited by landlords, while the others live in the nearby areas on the banks of the canal. In the middle of the village, we can find kirana shops, bank, RMP doctors, medical shops, iron welding shops, hair salons, etc. Animal rearing. All lands in the village are cultivated and there is not much land for grazing cattle. Hence, only a few bullocks, cows, buffaloes and sheep are reared for working on the fields and for other purposes. Poultry. Slaters. Poultry are domesticated birds kept by humans for their eggs, their meat or feathers. The village has a fully mechanized poultry farm. Water is supplied through nipples and food is supplied by the conveyors. There are about 80,000 hens in this poultry, laying about 50,000 eggs each day. These eggs are sent to Vijayawada and other states like Assam and Bihar through agents. The chicken dropping is sold as fish feed to farmers in nearby area. Rice mill. There is a rice mill in this village. The owners of this rice mill purchase paddy from the peasants and prepare rice to sell in other places. Poultry and rice mills are based on agriculture and therefore are called agro-industries. They are a common feature in the plains. It is easy to get the necessary raw materials and transport the product to the distant markets. Road transport and markets. Slaters, the plain regions have good transport and roads as there are no mountains and valleys and plateaus are present. The road network in this region is well developed, providing connectivity to many towns and cities. This helps in marketing the produce. The farmers of this village sell sugarcane, bananas, vegetables to the Raitu Bazaar of nearby towns and cities. Slaters, we have seen that plains have good cultivation due to the rivers, soil, transport system. Their life is different from people of other regions which we will discuss later.